Hello, welcome back to our Real Car Coding Jobs series. Today, I just handled a real case where the ECM failed after a flash and got stuck in boot mode. In this video, I'll show you how to completely recover the ECM through programming. To begin with, here is the setup for this job. In this video, I'm using the SD Connect C4 interface along with the Mercedes software package. We will perform the programming process using DTS Monaco software. Now, let's begin the programming process. Step 1. Start session. First, we unlock the CRD3 control unit and start a programming session. Once the connection is established, the system is ready for programming. Step 2. Programming. Next, we begin the programming process for the CRD3 module. During this step, the system writes new data to the ECU to recover normal operation. It's important to maintain a stable connection and power supply during programming. Step 3. Reset. After programming, we perform a reset of the CRD3 module. This allows the system to reboot and apply the new data. Step 4. Clear DTC and check. Finally, we clear all fault codes and run a quick check to confirm everything is working properly. After clearing the fault codes, we run a final check to make sure the system is stable. As you can see, the ECM is now communicating normally and no critical faults remain. The ECM has been successfully recovered and is now operating as expected. This is a typical case of a failed flash leading to a boot mode issue, which can be fully resolved through proper programming. If you're working with diagnostics and programming, make sure to follow our channel for more real-world cases like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.